Okay, things are starting to look real creepy in Florida. We're seeing eerie videos of black SUVs driving around neighborhoods with megaphones urging people to leave immediately. And when you have meteorologists being brought to tears, you know it is time to pack up and get out.
It's an incredible hurricane. It has dropped 50 millibars in 10 hours. I apologize. This is just horrific.
So what does that mean and why is it so terrible? Welcome back to What the Science, Hurricane Edition. Have you ever watched steam rise from a hot cup of coffee or cocoa on a chilly day? It rises because the hot air is less dense and therefore lighter than the air around it, like an old hot air balloon. Now imagine the ocean as that cup. When the tropical sun heats the water to above 80 degrees Fahrenheit or 27 Celsius, it causes the air just above the surface to get hot and rise up, leaving a lower pressure zone at the surface of the water, which then sucks in the air from all the surroundings to fill in the gap. Like when you suck the air out of a bottle with your mouth and then the bottle sucks your tongue right back. But this is happening over hundreds of miles, and when all that surrounding air rushes in to fill the gap, it gets affected by the rotation of the Earth, which causes it to spin. It's called the Coriolis effect, and it's why hurricanes spin in different directions on the north or southern hemisphere. And as that hot, moist air rises, it also cools, releasing its water to form clouds and rain, which then gets caught up in that circling wind. The closer the spinning air gets to the center, the faster it goes, just like an ice skater speeding up when they pull in their arms. The closer the spinning air gets to the center, the faster it goes. And when the wind is moving faster over the water, it causes more evaporation, which causes a stronger updraft and a larger pressure drop, and therefore larger and faster spinning winds, and the whole cycle just escalates. A terrifying feedback loop. Hurricane Milton turned into a Category 5 when it crossed the Gulf of Mexico, which right now has record warm temperatures, aka hurricane steroids.
It has dropped 50 millibars in 10 hours.
Millibars are a unit of pressure. And normally if a hurricane drops by 35 millibars in 24 hours, that's called rapid intensification. So 50 millibars in only 10 hours is almost 3.5 times as rapid, and that is scary. It's now a Category 4 with 155 mile per hour winds. If you're in the path, I hope you stay safe.